just round this corner there's going to be a sign.
Okay.
So town centre is what we're going to follow.
Straight on, then second exit, second roundabout.
Good, well done. So if we want to go straight on,
Right lane.
well done. Do we need to indicate or not?
Not for straight on, but
Well
we will
done.
for the other roundabout.
100%, go to the top of the class. What gear do we need to approach this in? Can we go? Do we stay?
We have to stay.
Good. What gear do you want to pull away in? Can we go?
Yeah, we can.
Okay. Just touch the paint and then come round. Big turn back to the right. Keep it nicely in the centre. Just came over that left-hand line there a little bit, didn't we? Remember to check your mirrors before you indicate right. Can we go?
Yeah.
Well done. Touch the paint with that roundabout. Just come in round there. And of course we don't need to indicate off a mini roundabout, do we? So that's brilliant. Well done. Good. And I want you to say the next turning on the right by the fish and chip shop, there's going to be a central filter lane to get into. It's hard to see, especially when it's wet. So you can just see it starting to come into view now. So come over to the central filter lane. That's good. It's just you're in it now. Can we turn?
No.
Touch down and hold. Okay, you're in the filter lane now. Can you see the lines either
Oh
side?
yeah, because
Okay.
I see a bit over
It's
there.
terrible when it's wet.
Yeah, wait for it.
Okay.
It's a big car. Okay.
So the taxi behind us thought he could go before us. So after the white van, be careful not to move too much until they've gone. Okay. Good. Check your mirrors, centre and right, so you know what's coming behind and to the sides. That's it. Punch it. Good. Let's go. That's it. I'm going to turn the wipers down a little bit, I think now. Stop raining again. A little tiny bit at least. That's good. Well done. And into third gear when you're ready. That's nice. And we're going to come up to some traffic lights you can see ahead, and we're going to go ahead at those traffic lights. So coming down here gently, checking your mirrors as we come down. Might want to put it into second gear if we're going a little bit slower. That's it. Because the lights may change, you don't know. That's it, good. Come up to the line, then put the handbrake on. So it's important that you come up to the line so the sensor that you're sitting on top of actually sees you. There's also sensors on the poles as well, I believe.
Okay.
So if you stop too far back, it's possible the lights wouldn't even see you're here. Then you'd be wondering why you're sitting here such a long time. Okay, and let's go. Good. I want you to take the next turning on the left, which is quite a way down there, roughly where that car is now. And look into the road carefully when we turn left. Let me know what type of road it is that we're turning into. Might want to come down to first. There's a car parked on the W lines there. Good. Did you see what type of road it is that we're coming into?
A built up? No?
It's a one-way road.
Is it?
Yep. So I want you to turn right at the end of this road. Well done.
Oh, come on, taxis in the way. How am I to do that?
Well, he'll get out of your way because he realises he shouldn't be blocking a junction. Should also not be on his phone, should he?
No.
So, gently come out. It's one way up there, so in theory nothing can come down. So just look to your right.
No.
Okay, big turn,
Oh.
and hold. Clutch down and hold. Clutch down.
Right.
That's it. Gently go forward. So very tricky down this road. Lots of opportunities to meet oncoming traffic, so we have to be able to work out how we get through.
Cool.
So clutch down first gear, come a little bit more over to the left, not too much, clutch gently up. Well done. So he'll wait for us at the end because he's too big to get through. Turn left at the end of the road and then turn immediately right.
Oh.
So gently up, clutch down. That's it. Look left, look right. Can we go?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Big turn. The indicator went off there, so I needed to put it back on. So we're going to turn right, put the clutch down and hold. Can we go?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Look into road, make sure it's safe.
Oh, there's a car coming.
Okay. Because it's a very narrow road, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it looks really nice.
So we'll let them go. And then
Everyone's
they'll
telling me
come.
to go, but I can't.
Don't worry
because
about
of
him.
the
Okay, and let's go. Well done. Good, excellent. So you can't let someone wave you on if it's not safe to go. Keep to the left. What does that sign mean up there?
They've got
Priority over you, haven't they?
There's no one coming, so.
That's it, well done. Nice control. At the end of the road, turn right. Clutch down first gear. That's it. When do you anticipate it being safe to go? Happy?
Yeah.
Okay. At the end of the road, turn left. Well done. Be careful not to roll back. So I could have used a handbrake transfer there, where you hold the handbrake on, but keep the button pressed in. Okay, it's going to get a little intense now.
Oh, I know where we are.
Good. We're going to go ahead at these roundabouts,
So we take the right.
down Desborough Road, so we want to be on the left-hand lane to go ahead.
Yeah.
And then we're going to go round like that. So clutch down, that's it. So do remember these routes through here. Might need to put your handbrake on now. So we can move forward just a little. That's it, clutch down a little bit. Be careful not to put your foot brake on and your clutch up at the same time, or you will stall the car. So watch the people crossing the road. Well done, good observations. So as we come up, we want to aim for the paint over there when it's safe to go. Look to the right. Can we go or not, do you think?
No, this car.
Okay. When can we go, do you think?
Can't now because once this car's got. Oh no. Oh, it's really busy.
It is busy, isn't it? Can we go now?
Yeah.
Okay. So head a little bit over there. That's it, head over there. Now turn to the right, look to the right, turn to the left if it's safe. Okay, so it's nothing coming our way, is there?
No.
So turn to the left. Well done. Now we need to take the next turning on the right,
On the right, where's that?
where that car's coming out. This is a very difficult turning to make.
Thanks.
You're welcome. So, gently brake. Come up to it, clutch down to bike. That's it, clutch down now. Look into the road. It's important that you look into this road and that you can turn into it.
Okay.
Okay, when do you think we can turn?
Off this car?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not going toward the car.
So all we can do is come into it, potentially,
Just
and
to
then
there.
just to there and then hold.
Okay.
So he's letting you go, so let's
Okay.
turn into it. Gently using clutch control, slowly go in. That's it, use clutch control. Then balance it if you can.
Oh, I've got to
Clutch down and hold. Clutch down and hold. Handbrake on.
There's a big
So-
car coming.
Okay. So you guys find your bike when that's gone, we can hopefully go, can we?
Yeah, big red van and then. Yeah, we can
So wait until it clears.
go. Yeah.
If it hasn't cleared, we can't go, can we?
No.
So it looks like he's going to wait and let you come through.
Yeah. Just wait for the traffic down there to go.
As I say, this is a very difficult road to actually get into.
Looks difficult.
A number of people fail their test because they can't get in. So set your gas, find your bike, big steer to the right, big steer to the right. Keep going gently using clutch control if necessary. That's good, well done. Come over to the right more. Clutch down to bite, balance it more, clutch down a bit more, clutch down further, that's it. Clutch up a little tiny bit, handbrake on now. So we could balance it on the gas and the clutch.
Off this car.
Okay, set your gas, find your bike. Check your mirrors and come right out, steer right out. That's it. More wipers now, I think. Turn left at the end of the road. Good. So as we come down, roughly where the green bin is, clutch down first gear, clutch up to bite, need a little bit of gas, just down slightly on the clutch, keep the gas on a little bit more, gas on a little bit more, can we go? Lift the clutch up, a little bit more gas, turn right. The curb isn't there when it comes out, it's about 5 feet further out. Well done.